In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eliminate large spaces in Microsoft Word. Sometimes, when you're working with a document, you might notice unexpected large gaps between words, paragraphs, or sections. These extra spaces can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to keep your document looking neat and professional. Fortunately, there are several easy ways to remove large spaces and get your document back in perfect shape. To start, open your document in Microsoft Word and first check if the spacing issues are caused by extra blank lines. If you see large gaps between paragraphs, place your cursor at the start of the blank line, then press the backspace key. This will delete the empty line and reduce the space. Alternatively, if the gap is at the end of the paragraph, press the delete key to remove it. If the spacing issue is more complex, the next thing to check is the paragraph settings. Go to the Home tab and look in the Paragraph section. Here, you'll see options for line spacing and paragraph spacing. Click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Paragraph section to open the Paragraph dialog box. In this dialog box, under the Spacing section, you'll find options for before and after spacing. These settings control the amount of space before and after each paragraph. If there's unnecessary space, change these values to a smaller number or set them to 0 points to remove the extra gap. For line spacing, you can adjust the line spacing drop-down. Select single for tighter spacing, or 1.5 lines, or double for more space. However, if there are still large gaps between lines, make sure you haven't accidentally set it to exactly with a large point size. Change it to single or another appropriate option, and the spacing should return to normal. Another trick is to use the Find and Replace feature to remove extra spaces. Press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace window. In the Find What field, type 2 spaces, press the spacebar twice, and in the Replace With field, type just 1 space. Click Replace All, and this will remove any instances of double spaces throughout your document. Sometimes, Word's automatic formatting can also cause unwanted gaps, especially if you've copied and pasted text from another source. To fix this, highlight the affected text and go to the Home tab. Click on Clear All Formatting, which will remove any extra formatting that might be contributing to the spacing issue. By using these methods, you can easily eliminate large spaces and get your document looking clean and well organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.